Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Google Drive not uploading problem on your mobile phone. So let's get right onto it. So if you are having this problem guys, and if you are uploading a file and it is not uploading, then what you need to do first is search if you are updated to the latest version of the Google Drive on your App Store or Play Store depending on what phone you have, and make sure you're updated guys, because if not, then that might be the reason why you are having the not uploading problem. But if you are updated, then you can go ahead and do this method. So press and hold the drive icon and go over to the I and tap on the I icon, and make sure here go ahead and go over to restrict data usage, and make sure that the restrict data usage is not enabled on all of the networks. So after doing that, go ahead and go over to storage here and make sure to clear data. So clear cache first and proceed to clear all data and hit OK, and that will reset the app entirely. And don't worry guys, this will not affect any major things on your account or anything, so don't worry. After that, try and upload again to your Google Drive and see if that fixes your problem. So okay guys, that is the way on how you can fix the Google Drive file not uploading. Thank you for watching and goodbye.